Hi, my name is Gabrielle June Haynes, and I was born on December 6, 1992, on Lakenheath Air Force Base in England. Because my name is kind of a mouthful for some people, I usually just go by Gabby. I'm the daughter of Brian and Christine Haynes, and I have an older brother, Sebastian, and a younger brother, Nathaniel. If at this point you're wondering why I don't have a British accent, it's because when I was just 6 years old, our family moved to San Angelo, Texas. The move was hard, but we learned to adjust. 3 words to describe me would be quiet, hardworking, and happy. I've always been quite a shy girl until you get to know me. Then I break out of my shell and no one can shut me up. I'm very hardworking in all that I do. I strive to be the best in everything I sign up for, and I am never satisfied with the average. No matter what, I always try to keep a smile on my face because my family taught me that it's important to always look on the bright side of life. You never know how much your smile may affect someone. My family are my biggest motivation because no matter what, they are always there to support my decisions. As a young girl, I always wanted to be just like my brothers. I even went to their Boy Scout meetings and events. This started to change as I entered elementary school. I attended Glenmore Elementary and was heavily involved in cheerleading, Girl Scouts, and swimming. From 5th through 7th grade, I was a member of the San Angelo Stampede junior dance team. I discontinued cheerleading and dancing after middle school, though, because I knew swimming was what I would rather be doing. When it was time for me to begin high school, I continued my love of swimming on the varsity swim team for all 4 years, and along with 3 of my other teammates, got to compete in the state swim meet my senior year. I also continued with Girl Scouts, and in 2011, I received my Gold Award, which is the highest award any Girl Scout can get. I graduated from Central High School in 2011 and received many scholarships that enabled me to attend San Angelo State University. I decided to pursue a degree in early childhood education because I love being around children and watching them learn. For the past 5 years, I have helped coach an elementary age swim team and made my own business teaching private swimming lessons in the summer. Although I always thought I wanted to teach around the 4th grade, I now plan to teach either kindergarten or PE. And even though I'm getting my degree in education in Texas, I'm still deciding whether I want to move to a foreign country such as England or France and teach there. No matter where I end up, I know I'll be happy because I will be doing what I love.